Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate glaze for your eclairs. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. For a truly rich and flavorful glaze, it's important to start with good quality cocoa powder and granulated sugar. You'll also need some milk, unsalted butter, and a hint of vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Having all your ingredients at room temperature will help them combine smoothly. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and milk. Whisk this mixture continuously over medium-low heat. This constant stirring is key to preventing lumps and achieving a silky smooth consistency. Once it's smooth, bring the glaze to a gentle simmer for about 1 minute. Then, take it off the heat and stir in the unsalted butter until it's completely melted and incorporated. To finish our glaze, add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This really enhances the chocolate flavor. Continue stirring until the glaze is perfectly smooth and has a beautiful glossy sheen. It's crucial to let the glaze cool slightly before you apply it to your eclairs. The ideal temperature for dipping is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which ensures a perfect set without melting your pastry. Finally, it's time to glaze your delicious eclairs. Take each cooled eclair and gently dip its top into the warm chocolate glaze. Allow any excess glaze to drip off back into the bowl for neat and even coating. Then, place your glazed eclairs on a wire rack to allow the glaze to set, which usually takes about 10 minutes. If you prefer a thicker, more decadent layer, feel free to dip them a second time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.